In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Airtable. Airtable is a versatile platform that beautifully combines the power of a database with the flexibility of a spreadsheet. It's particularly useful for managing projects and organizing tasks, and by adding subtasks, you can track your project progress in more detail. So, let's dive right into it. First, as you begin, you'll need to log in to your Airtable account. Once you've done that, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where all your bases and tables are displayed. Think of a base in Airtable as a single file, the one that holds all the relevant data tied to a specific aspect of your project. So, what you'll want to do next is to locate a particular base or table you're looking to work on. Take a moment to glance through your available bases. Once you've spotted the one you're interested in, go ahead and click on it. Now you're inside your selected base, and here's where the fun part begins. You'll want to look around for that inviting little plus sign that's labeled as Add Field. Clicking this icon is the gateway to adding a new field specifically designed to house your subtasks. Your next move will be to enter subtasks in the field name box that pops up. This naming process is vital as it clearly indicates what this column is designated to do within your table setup. Following this, Airtable will prompt you to choose a data type for your new field. For your needs, selecting the single-line text option is ideal. Why this choice, you might ask? It's because subtasks usually come in short, descriptive bursts, and a single line of text perfectly accommodates this kind of entry. Once you've made this choice, click on Create Field. With this action, you've successfully introduced a new column to your table, aptly named Subtasks. It's specially formatted to hold those crucial subtasks linked to each of your major tasks. Now, adding the subtasks themselves is as simple as it gets. Start by clicking into any of the blank spaces within your freshly created subtasks column. Here, you're free to type in the details of each specific subtask. For every main task you have, you'll just enter the corresponding subtasks right into these spaces. This approach ensures that each layer of your project is neatly categorized and easily traceable. And there it is. You've now established a practical system to manage and keep track of subtasks in Airtable, lending a more organized flair to how you tackle projects. As you explore Airtable's capabilities, remember that adapting your setup to the specific needs of your project can significantly enhance your efficiency. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.